Hello, teacher and partners. I'm going to present my final activity, teaching English to adolescents and adults. Angelica Cuellar. First, the lesson plan to adolescents. Lesson plan is level B1 intermediate, learning strategy, social, cognitive, and affective. Topic: celebrations and festivals. Activity objectives: the students improve their ELS skills, do exercise and share their opinions in class about the topic, practice creative thinking, analyze and interpret what they read, share their opinion with their peers. Warm up. First, as an introductory to the activity, the teacher interrogates the students about their memories and experience about the celebrations and festivals that they have been. Then the students to organize their ideas first in their own minds and next share in the class. The time is 5 minutes. Presentation. The teacher do the explanation about the worksheet, the content and the exercises that the student is going to do, tell about different celebrations around the world, and receive questions, explain the time and the qualification. The time is 10 minutes. Next, the practice. The teacher gives the photocopies with the worksheet. The students work in small groups and next share their answers and opinions in a whole group. A. Tell about the festivals or celebrations that the students have been. Ask the partners if they have ever been there and invite them to tell you about their experience. B. Read about the Mother's Day and answer questions. C. In group discuss questions about the topic. D. Listen one audio and answer the questions. E. Watch the video about the song Celebration by Kool and the Gang and put the correct words in the blank. Finally, write a paragraph of a celebration that they have attended and to put verbs in simple past. Production. The students share the answer with small groups, correct grammar and orthographic mistakes with accompaniment of the teacher. Next, in whole class, read the answer and the teacher establish a correction and give conclusions with the students about the topic. The time is 10 minutes. Materials. The materials used are the classroom, the board, pencils, notebooks, video beam, tape record, and worksheet photocopies. The assessment has 100 points. The students complete all activity in the worksheet, 20 points. The students work collaboratively, 20 points. The students share your ideas, 20 points. The student used English fluently while speaking, 20 points. And finally, the students do the exercise, used a correct grammar, vocabulary, and courage, 20 points. It is all the worksheet and lesson plan to adolescents. Next, I'm going to explain the lesson plan to adults. The lesson plan to adults is a B2 level, upper intermediate English. Learning strategy is social, cognitive, and affective. The topic is the climate change. Activity objectives are: students improve their ELS skills, do exercise, and share their opinions in class about the topic climate. Practice creative thinking. Analyze and interpret what they watch in the video. Share their own opinions. Practice new vocabulary and grammar. Class description. Warm. First, as an introductory to the activity, the teacher explains the topic and the students discuss their thinking and reasoning. The teacher writes in a board words in a range of ideas and gives some vocabulary about the topic. Time 5 minutes. Presentation. The teacher do your explanation about the worksheet, the content and the exercise that the student is going to do. Tell about different consequences of the climate change and recite questions. Explain the time and a qualification. 10 minutes. Practice. The teacher gives the photocopies with the worksheet. The students work in a small group. The students watch the video and share their opinions, and next they do a role play. Do the reflection and their opinions and share in group. 35 minutes. A. Complete a chart according with the theories and words given. Then share the results and comment their reflection in class. Watch the video. Let's prepare for our new climate by Ted Vicky Arroyo and answer question. C. Answer question based in their opinions and share the answer in the class. D. Complete the statements in blanks with the correct grammar option. E. Make a role play. Finally, each student reflect on how they feel representing their role and what they can do from their current position as citizens. Production post. The students share the answers with a small group, correct grammar and orthography mistake with accompaniment of the teacher. Next, in whole class, read the answers and the teacher establish a corrections and give conclusions with the students about the topic. The time is 10 minutes. Materials used are the classroom, the boards, pencils, notebooks, video beam, the worksheet photocopies. The assessment are 100 points distribute. The students complete all activity in the worksheet, 20 points. The student work collaboratively, 20 points. The student share your ideas, 20 points. The student use fluently while speaking, 20 points. If the student do the exercise, use a correct grammar, vocabulary, and currents, 20 points. It is all. Thank you for watching me, and bye.